Yeah, good morning, Amit and Chapikan Sahu.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, morning, we can get started, so can't wait more. So, silicon control rectifier. This is the first element in the thyristor family. बहुत सारे devices है इसके अंदर. मैंने बताया track and GTO, Dirac, बहुत सारे elements है ऐसा. इसमें major role है SCR का silicon control rectifiers का. So how is different from the diode? हमने diode के बारे में discuss कर दिया. Diode is having, always try to compare with the previous things what we learned. So diode is having simple PN junction. This is a diode. Of course, power diode will have with the different doping levels, but the actual concept is this. It's uncontrolled one. मतलब क्या है? इसके ऊपर कंट्रोल नहीं है ऑन करने के लिए, अनकंट्रोल्ड है. जब आपने प्लस माइनस इधर देगा तो एनोड एंड कैथोड VA पॉजिटिव होगा, तुरंत आपका डायोड चालू हो जाएगा. मतलब switch is on. We don't have any control on the switch. When the anode and cathode is positive, it get on. When cathode and anode is negative, VAK is negative, switch get open. I don't have a control. Like in the silicon control rectifier, what is happen? Let us see this. It's a simple PN junction. Matlab 4 layers it has, 3 junctions. So you can see this is P, of course P plus, and this is okay N minus, and this is P N plus. This is I have the PN junction, PN layer, and ये वाला anode. This is cathode. You can see here now. Looking at this, कितना layers है? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 4 layer. कितना junction है? Junction देखो. This is J1 and this J2. मतलब दो different material के बीच में junction होगा. P and N के बीच में junction, N and P के junction. ये वाला J3 junction. So 4 layer and 3 junction device. So what will happen here? Agar, of course, and the terminal. If we talk about the terminal, this is a gate. 4 layer, 3 junction, 3 terminal. So extra एक terminal आ गया. इधर कितना है डायोड में? 2 terminal and 2 layer. So what is happening? Let us see here now. First one is, if VAK is positive, VAK positive हो गया, मतलब इधर plus इधर minus दिया. So what will happen? Either P is connected to plus, this is plus and minus. P is connected to plus here, so J1 is forward biased. There is no problem. And J2 means this N is connected to plus, J2 is reverse biased. reverse biased, and J3, N is connected to minus. So J3 is forward biased. So overall क्या हो रहा है? J1, J3 forward biased है, J2 reverse biased. What is happening when it reverse biased here now? Let us see this one. This is the same case I'm talking about. I'll tell you width केवल width ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. P plus N minus P N plus. You know the meaning of plus: higher doping, lower doping, normal doping. This is higher doping. And this is our gate. So this J1 is forward bias. Reverse bias मतलब क्या होता है? So this is N minus, right? All this plus depletion layer is formed here now, and this depletion layer is penetrated into N minus layer. Yesterday मैंने बताया जहाँ पे lower doping होगा उधर ज़्यादा से depletion layer penetrate हो जाएगा. So in this case, this is minus. So width of the N minus layer decides the reverse blocking capability. Width of the N minus layer. So हमको ज़्यादा width होना चाहिए ताकि आपको ज़्यादा blocking capability होगा. This should not touch the P plus. If this touch P plus, again the current starts flowing. So ये width ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. So this is plus and plus. So this is the depletion layer here. Now you can see complete, this one is blocked, no current is flowing. So current IA, ideally speaking, IA current is 0, no current is flowing. So this mode is called as the first one which we are talking is, this is called as a forward bias दिया, लेकिन current नहीं जा रही. So this is forward blocking mode. This is forward blocking mode. So now what will happen? It required some assistance, some help चाहिए चालू करने के लिए. So इसके लिए क्या है? Gate signal है. So what will happen here? No, forward blocking mode conduction में जाना चाहिए. Forward blocking mode conduction में जाने के लिए, so what I do here now, I'll give a gate signal. What is the gate signal here now? Gate signal means this is VGK. You have to make this is positive. VGK is positive. What will happen here when VGK is positive? For example, I'm making here now G positive plus. So those sides supply अभी. VA positive किया मैंने, इससे पहले VA positive मतलब एक supply इधर है. This is the one supply, and this is another one gate signal or gate supply. दो supply देना चाहिए इसको on करने के लिए, चालू करने के लिए. When this plus is here now, it attracts all the electrons here now. So it attracts all the electrons here now. Then what will happen? This depletion layer is kind of completely goes. I'll explain in detail, don't worry. So when this is kind of attracting here now, it try to take the current through this one, electrons. Try to take the, so जब ये वाले electrons आ रहे, ये positive charge को neutralize करेगा. So how this is doing turn on process, I'll explain later. But VGK positive दिया, so that is IG gate current. When IG is gate current is given, IG is positive. So then J2 also, J2 से पहले blocking कर रहे हैं ना, J2 also kind of forward bias here. Then turn on, SCR gets turned on here now. All J1 and J2, J3 are forward biased if gate signal is given. So mention this point here now. A and K are positive, VAK is positive, then it is in forward blocking mode. Second one, when the gate signal is given, it goes into the forward conduction mode. It goes into the forward conduction mode. Third one is that, let me see here now. Third mode is SCR, reverse blocking mode. So what I am doing here in this case, reverse mode, I don't give any gate signal, minus and plus. What will happen? Minus and plus means J1, J2, J3. ये वाला minus है, तो J1 क्या होगा? Minus is connected to P. J1 is and J3 are reverse biased. J2 is ये वाला कि minus है ना, minus is connected to N is connected to minus. J2 is forward biased. This is forward biased, not forward blocking. ये वाला forward biased. लेकिन J1 J3 में देखो कौन सा ज्यादा से ज्यादा blocking कर रहा है? Tell me now, if you understand the concept of this, say this is P plus N minus P N plus. If you understand the concept of the doping levels, इन दोनों में J1 J3 में कौन सा जंक्शन ज्यादा वोल्टेज ब्लॉक करेगा यार? कौन सा जंक्शन ज्यादा वोल्टेज ब्लॉक करेगा? मैंने बता दिया, जंक्शन के पास एक एटलीस्ट one layer is lower doped, more blocking will be happening here. लेकिन J3 देखो, इधर J3 है ना, दोनों बगल में, दोनों साइड में P N plus side. None of them are kind of lower doped. One is highly doped, another one is normally doped. So J3 junction is almost not blocking anything, very minimal, I can say. So इसमें J1 blocks most of the voltage. You understand, right? Most of the voltage. What is the meaning of blocking? आपने negative voltage apply कर दिया है, ये तो open हो गया. Switch is open. VAK, so this is negative. So VAK is negative. So who is blocking it? इसका बीच में आ रहा है, अपने स्विच को नॉर्मल मान लो, फैन का स्विच बंद कर दिया, सप्लाई तो हाई स्विच को, लेकिन वो वाला स्विच ब्लॉक कर रहे हैं, से ओपन हो गया, तो its capability, so VAK is negative. I told you the VAK, and I'll give the values also. It can go up to 7,000 K. How much the CR can block? The CR can block 5,000 to 7,000 volts negative voltage. So mention this point here now. SCR is reverse biased. SCR is reverse biased. Most of the reverse voltage is blocked. Most of the reverse voltage is blocked by J1 junction. Most of the reverse voltage is blocked by J1 junction. And J3 blocks very negligible amount of voltage. J3 blocks very negligible amount of voltage. Okay. So by the way, what is the symbol for this SCR? Symbol is, this is diode actually. If we draw like this, anode and cathode. Now I am giving a gate signal. 3-terminal device. Right? This is a symbol for this. So if you draw the characteristics, whatever I have discussed, let me show it in a characteristics here. So we call a static VA characteristic. And we had drawn for the diode. Now we'll draw for the SCR. Always try to get the differences between the previous device. That way you learn more. Okay. This is VAK. And you know the notation now. What is IA and VAK? VAK positive हो तो क्या होगा? Right? VAK positive, no current flows, small amount of leakage. You can see here now. Voltage increases. There is one point, that point, what will happen is, look at here now. I told you already, junction J2. This is the one. VAK positive there. P plus N minus P N plus J1, J2, J3. So this is what I'm saying, plus and minus. ये forward bias होगा, ये forward bias होगा. J2 block कर रहे हैं ना, a small amount of leakage current still flows there. At particular voltage, forward block VAK, yet to VBO, what is called as a breakover voltage. This is called as a breakover voltage. Without any gate signal, breakover voltage. Without any gate signal, junction J2 get breakdown. Once the J2 get breakdown, क्या हो गया है? ये वाला J1 already forward bias में है. J2 अभी on हो गया, मतलब ये block down हो गया. अभी J3, so all three kind of open, channel is open. Now the current starts flowing. When current starts flowing, what will happen here now? Magnitude of current increases. लेकिन VA के बीच में voltage क्या होगा? ये वाला चालू हो गया अभी. This is anode है, this is cathode है. So voltage across this one should be very minimal, or ideally speaking 0. But actually this small amount of voltage will be there. So voltage, you see that voltage is kind of decreasing. And of course, current is increases here now drastically. This is how will be there. The point at which here, please understand that there is something called as a latching current and holding current. This current, I'll talk about this as a IL, latching current. There is another current which is called as a, this point, which is kind of IL, IH. IL is latching current. This corresponds to on. Please mention this point. IL is latching current. It corresponds to turn on of SCR. What do you mean by turn on of SCR? If anode current is greater than the latching current, then SCR get turned on. So latching currents corresponds to turn on of SCR. Please mention that point. Another one is IH. This is called as a holding current. And this holding current corresponds to turn on of SCR. This belongs to turn off SCR. मतलब SCR को turn off करना है. Turn off करना है मतलब इसका anode current should be less than your holding current. So always your holding current is kind of less than the latching current. In fact, on करने के लिए anode current क्या होना चाहिए? Latching current से. Normally these values will be in milliamps or even microamps. So normally we neglect it and we'll make it as a 0 there sometimes. So holding current is kind of less than your latching current. Holding current corresponds to turn off the signal. Now, if you apply the reverse voltage, I'm trying to apply the reverse voltage. So what will happen here? Minus voltage, you can see here now. This is voltage, right? And as you keep on applying the negative voltage, yes, definitely voltage increases. Negative voltage, ये वाला voltage करो है. But how much block कर रही है? कितना block करेगा वाला? There is a point at which, and your SCR will get breakdown. Once the SCR block breakdown, that is VBR, we called reverse breakdown voltage. VBR is reverse breakdown voltage here now. SCR अगर ये वाला voltage को reach हो गया, मतलब बाहर से apply कर रहा हूँ हमने negative voltage. So reverse breakdown voltage. Then SCR completely get breaks. Previously J1 was blocking, right? Reverse mode में. J1 and J3 negligible मैंने बता दिया. So खाली J1 block कर रहे. So then SCR get reverse completely breakdown. Once this is done, your SCR cannot be used. VBR आ गया, एक बार चालू हो गए, एवलांच हो गया, पूरा J1 is kind of completely breakdown. SCR cannot be reused. Okay? So even we don't go up to the breakover voltage also here. Breakover, sometimes SCR get damaged also. Breakover voltage गया तो अभी करना क्या? I have to take the gate. Take the help of the gate signal ले लो. So IG, more the IG current, breakover voltage decreases. If IG current increases, positive, breakover voltage decreases. मान लो ये वाला 100 वोल्ट से चालू हो रहा है विदाउट गेट सिग्नल. अभी गेट सिग्नल दिया प्लस, तो क्या होगा, थोड़ा सा डिप्रेशन लेयर J2 है ना, तो न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाएगा, ताकि आपका VA का वोल्टेज है ना, सो कम अप्लाई करो इसके बीच में, ताकि SCR ऑन हो जाएगा. सो आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग हियर नाउ, एज द गेट सिग्नल इंक्रीज, बाहर से देना चाहिए. दिस इज समथिंग लाइक IG1 and this is IG2 and ये वाला on लो IG3, just giving numbers. So you can see here now IG1 is greater than, IG2 is greater than IG3. Corresponding breakover voltage क्या होगा, इधर चालू हो गया, SCR has turned on here. You can see this, SCR is turned on for this IG1 के लिए. So this is VB01 breakover voltage. करंट ज्यादा कर दिया मैंने, VB02 वोल्टेज कम हो गया, कम वोल्टेज में चालू हो रहे. You can see here IG3 ज्यादा हो गया, कम वोल्टेज में, बहुत कम में. सो मतलब VB01, 02, VB03 is less than IG1 is greater. So look at here now, more, this is IG1 is not more in fact. मैंने ज्यादा कर दिया तो breakover voltage ज्यादा है ना, IG1 is lesser. Please understand here now, IG1 कम होना चाहिए. So I'll write it here. IG1 is less than IG2, IG3. So then VB01, you can see here now, you can make out this. समझ गए ना बात? Are you getting my point? VB01, VB02, VB03. So inversely proportional. More the gate current, breakover voltage will be lesser. जल्दी चालू हो जाएगी. I hope you understand this point here now. Static VA characteristics. Just copy this one. We'll move on to the, you have written, right? Latching current corresponds to turn on of SCR. Please mention this. Write down the definition, latching current definition. It is the minimum anode current. It is the minimum anode current above which, it is the minimum anode current above which SCR gets turned on. It is the minimum anode current above which SCR gets turned on. Turn on. And this current corresponds to turn on of SCR. This current, latching current, corresponds to turn on of SCR. Next, holding current. Holding current is the anode current below which SCR gets turned off. Below which SCR gets turned off. holding current related to turn off of a CR. Holding current is related to turn off of a CR. One more point. Gate has no control. Gate has no control on turn off of a CR. Gate has no control on turn off of a CR. मतलब गेट लूजेस द कंट्रोल. गेट खाली ऑन करने के लिए बस, ऑफ करने के लिए गेट का चीज नहीं आएगा. एसीआर टर्न ऑफ होने के लिए somehow you need to make the anode current below the holding current, तभी एसीआर टर्न ऑफ हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Now let us move on to the another one. So let us move on to the turn on switching character. We have something called a switching characteristics. Switching characteristics मतलब क्या है? SCR will not get turned on immediately. SCR has to go through some process when it is going from on to off and off to on. Those are called as switching characteristics here now. So let us see here now the switching characteristics of this. So how the on will happen here now, right? So let us see. So every time please take this one, P plus N minus P N plus. Okay, this is J2, J1, J3. On and on process है ना, so plus minus दिया, VAK का plus दिया, लेकिन VAK is plus positive and IA is still 0, ideally speaking. This is forward blocking mode. Forward blocking mode क्योंकि J2 reverse bias है, हमने discuss कर दिया. So gate signal देना पड़ेगा. अभी gate signal देने के बाद क्या होगा? Let me discuss this thing. So for this, I'm just drawing. This is the gate signal. Anode current. Another one. We'll see that VAK is the gate's anode cathode current. This is of course VAK and IA. These are the things I am interested. Gate current है ना, VAK and IA. So let us see here now. I started giving the gate current. The gate current, gate symbol will be something like here now. Gate signal will be something like I have given the gate signal. So then what will happen? Initially, look at here now. Initially, even the gate signal is given turant on nahi hoga. So something like this is a maximum gate signal. This is the maximum gate signal, but you make this as a, this is IC maximum low, and this you make this as a something like this value is 0.9 of IG. You can make this as a IGM maximum करके 0.9 IG maximum. Then what will happen? Current, anode current देखो, anode current पहले 0 होना चाहिए. Anode current is kind of 0. So now the anode current is kind of started increasing slowly. Okay, this is 0.9. Let me IBM gate current maximum तक आना चाहिए. So now when the gate current become 0.9 IGM maximum gate current 0.9 of that. So anode current starts. इससे पहले current नहीं आएगा. This is IA. Don't think this is not this VA. IA. So current 0 है. Because J2 is 0 है. J2 is kind of reverse biased. Now the current starts increasing. You can see here now current starts gradually increases here now, and it takes some time. This is how the maximum anode current here now. ये वाला process है कुछ process 0.9 IM से I define the zero current here now. There is a delay time, something called delay time I'm defining. When the anode current increases, voltage क्या होगा? Previous voltage positive है, higher voltage you can see here. The voltage is kind of maximum. And current is zero because when this get open, zero means IA zero means you can see this is the scenario. Plus minus. So VAK is maximum. Current zero है इधर. तो voltage है इधर. Something like switch में switch चालू नहीं है लेकिन उसका बीच में voltage है. So VAK high. As the current increases, switches started conducting. So then we can see here now. It very small amount. So this is how do we define this one here now? Maximum and delay time can be defined as this 0 amp say 0.1. This is Mount this one maximum current is IA max. So I can define this is as 0.1 IA. 0.1 IA or you can say IAM maximum करके 0.1 IAM. So correspondingly, if you take out up, what will happen to voltage? इधर तक जाना चाहिए ना, it's complete one. Voltage VAK to 0.9 VAK maximum. So there is something called as a delay time. It is defined as 0 amps IA 0 amps 0 to 0.1 IA current. This is the period, or rather strictly speaking 0.9 IGM 0.9 IG say you can consider IG as a maximum. I'm just taking like that. 0.9 IG say 0.1 IA. Whenever I say IG means it's IG maximum, you can consider. IA means IA maximum. This is a delay period. Or in terms of voltages, VAK to 0.9 VAK. Anything you can define. In terms of anode current, and voltage. Second one is rise time. Rise time में क्या होगा? Current, yes, definitely get increasing. So you can see here now another point. This is the one. This is TD. TR here now rise time. TR. How can I define TR? 0.1 to 0.9. IA or IAM. So 0.1 IA to 0.9 IA in terms of currents. In terms of voltages, this is 0.1. So 0.9 VAK to 0.1 VAK. ये वाला time period is rise time. So it takes some time. Overall, basically what is happening? Overall, how much time it is taking to make it turn on. All these are important. Your examination, normal university examination will be important. They'll ask turn on switching characteristics. And the third one is spread time. So that is a kind of spread time. So that can be defined as here completely 0.9 IA to IA. This is the one. Or in terms of voltages, voltage कितना है? 0.1 VA to approximately 0. You can say approximately 0 here, or minimum amount. Or V drop, 0.1 VA to V drop. These are the three modes: the turn on, delay time, rise time, and the spread time here now. Because it operates at very high values, so it goes through all these processes here now. Turn on. Now let us move on the turn off. Turn off is very critical for us. Turn off में क्या हो रहा है? That is really important for us, because that decides your quality of SCR. अगर turn off time अच्छा है तो blocking capability comes faster, right? Just copy this one. Just let me know once you are done. Done, guys. I'm just waiting. So now next one is important. Previously क्या है? On turn on switching characteristics. You are a turn off है. Okay, sure. Turn off. Turn off switching characteristics. or we called as a reverse recovery characteristics. Reverse recovery characteristics. Basically क्या करना इधर again ये वाला process में क्या हो रहा है, SCR should obtain the forward blocking mode. See, this is what happening here now. On हो गया, okay. SCR has to obtain off, on to off, then off to on. ये वाला process में then on to off. Look at here now, from on to off, this stage is called on to off is reverse recovery characteristics. This is what. Whereas previously हमने discuss कर दिया ना, off to on, that is turn on characteristics. We have seen that already. इसमें off to on में some time period होगा, delay time, rise time, spread time. So that is a turn on, we can say. So this turn on we have already defined. This is TD plus TR plus TS. Now the turn off process, on to off karna. So look at here now how this will be. And especially the current, how this current will be there. We are seeing for the diode, and now we are seeing for the IA, anode current. You got the context right. Anode current kaha hoga. So this is what. So this is the anode current here, and this is anode and cathode voltage. So previously it was on, it is on here. Now the process has started. So the current is decreasing here. Now we have already seen this one like a diode. And in this case, for example, this is a process T1, say this is T2, at this point T3, and T4 here now. So what will happen, previous one is conducting, charge carriers will be there in the layers, all 4 layers, charge carriers will be there. During on, carriers will be there in all the layers, because ये चालू है ना, conduction में जा रहा था. Junction के पास भी carriers है, junction के पास भी carriers है. So between the period T3, T4, between the period T3 minus T1, so TRR we called reverse recovery time, it neutralize all the things at layers. Layers के पास है ना सब कुछ, whatever is there, carriers, layers के पास it will take out. There is something called the TGR, gate recovery time, that is T4 minus T3, it neutralizes at the junction. Junction kaha particularly, junction J2. That way, it's something like यार पानी है ना, मैंने बता दिया already, बड़ा पाइप है, पाइप के अंदर पानी है, जो भी कॉर्नर्स है ना, पानी जो भी कॉर्नर्स पे है, वो पानी सब कुछ बाहर आएगा, वैसे भी बाहर आ जाएगा. लेकिन अंदर है ना जंक्शन के पास जो भी होता है वो that can be done by recombination. Recombination in the sense पाइप को उल्टा नीचे ऊपर करना चाहिए, कुछ तो करना चाहिए. So here also what I need to do is gate recoveries can be done by recombination. Recombination means you are going to apply VAK is negative, some negative voltage you can apply here now, minus plus. Okay, either है ना, so it can take out trapped charges, can be neutralized here now. That's a recombination. So please write down this point. The total entire process is called turn off time, SCR turn off time. There is another one, is something called as a T5. I'll come to that point. Now this is total T4. This is TQ. Thyristor turn off time. इसमें इधर तक whatever I have discussed, T3 तक is TRR, This is TGR. So TQ is TRR, TGR. TRR मैंने बता दिया, reverse recovery time. Please mention that reverse recovery time. What is that reverse recovery time? All the excess carriers from all 4 layers from 4 layers can be removed in the reverse recovery time. Can be removed in the reverse recovery time. But at the end of reverse recovery time, junction J2 still has trapped charges. Junction J2 still has trapped charges. इधर रहने वाला junction charge carriers अंदर है. Junction J2 still has trapped charges. Hence, the thyristor cannot block the forward voltage at T3. Hence, thyristor cannot block the forward voltage. These trapped charges can be taken out by recombination. That is by applying reverse voltage across SCR. By applying reverse voltage across SCR. Okay, so that is here now. TGR is called as a gate recovery time. You can mention that is called as gate recovery time. TGR. So what is this here then? What is the total complete one? This is called as a circuit turnoff time. TC is called as a very important circuit turnoff time. Have you observed? The circuit turnoff time always should be greater than thyristor turnoff time. What do you mean by the circuit turnoff time here now? Circuit turnoff time means how much time the circuit is being under reverse bias scenario. मेरा मतलब कि जब ये वाला टर्न ऑफ प्रोसेस में जा रहा था, ये वाला SCR, उस समय SCR भी रिवर्स बायस में होना चाहिए. Otherwise, the process is not being completed. Process will not complete properly. So, so that is the turn off time from T1 to T4, circuit turn off time T1 to T5. So circuit turn off time can be defined as, I can say, I can have a definition. It is a time at the instant anode current becomes 0 and instance reverse voltage to the practical circuit reaches to 0. Anode current 0 होना चाहिए, ठीक है? And बीच में reverse voltage है, कहाँ reverse voltage आना चाहिए? T3 में. T3 में reverse voltage अप्लाई करना चाहिए. Reverse voltage कहाँ 0 है? T5 तक 0 है. So please define the circuit turnoff time. Circuit turnoff time is defined as it is a time between the instant anode current becomes 0 It is the time between the instant anode current becomes 0 and the instant reverse voltage due to practical circuit reaches 0. Reverse voltage due to practical circuit reaches 0. TC must be greater than TQ, otherwise commutation failure occur. I'll explain later when the commutation comes, but for now we can mention. Otherwise, commutation failure normally what is the ranges here is turn off time. मैंने बताया इतना process है. What are the ranges here now? Circuit turn off time here now, or thyristor turn off time here now. TQ is normally there are two ranges here now. One is a converter grade SCR. There are two varieties here. Converter grade SCR मतलब converter में use करने वाला. AC to DC converter में use करने वाला SCR. This is of low quality. TQ value will be, it ranges from 50 to 500 microsecond. 500 microsecond. So very, very low. I don't think it's kind of seconds or hours. I don't even make out that, but it has to be on and off, on and off. Switching frequency very high, na 1 kilohertz, 5 kilohertz. Switching frequency jada. What is, by the way, what is switching frequency here now? How much it can operate here now? On and off kar sakte hai. SCR ko. SCR ko I can operate the switching frequency is 1 kilohertz. मतलब 1 second में on करो, ऑफ करो, on करो, off करो, on करो, off करो. Is 1,000 times कर सकते हैं. Can you imagine how much time? ये वाला on and off और बीच में ये process भी जाना चाहिए. ये वाला turn off, reverse recovery process भी होना चाहिए. Before completing the reverse recovery process, मतलब ये completely इसके अंदर जो भी carriers है उसको हटाने करने से पहले आपने टर्न ऑन कर दिया. SCR को VA के पॉजिटिव दिया है. समझ गए मेरा बात? रिवर्स रिकवरी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ. आपने एनोड, इसके बाद क्या है? ऑन एंड ऑफ है. रिवर्स रिकवरी नहीं हुआ, लेकिन आपने इधर एनोड कैथोड को पॉजिटिव दिया. तो क्या होगा यार? J2 के पास कैरियर्स है, एनोड कैथोड को पॉजिटिव दिया. J1 J3 ऑलरेडी फॉरवर्ड बायस है, J2 के पास कैरियर्स है, तो क्या होगा? तुरंत ऑन हो जाएगा. नाउ तुरंत ऑन हो जाएगा मतलब ये वाला एडवांटेज नहीं है. इसके स्विच के ऊपर हमारा कंट्रोल नहीं है. अभी गायब हो गया. फॉरवर्ड ब्लॉकिंग मोड नहीं है, which is not good. I should have more control on the switch. I should have the more control such that I should know. I should make the switch to get started at the required point of time. ठीक है? तो I lose the forward blocking mode if you on the switch. If you give the VA positive without completing the switching cap, without completing the reverse recovery, that is dangerous. So you have to wait for 500 microsecond. Another one is inverter grade SCR. Please copy this all. Inverter grade SCR ये वाला inverter में use करेगा, which is DC to AC. इसका thyristor turn off time is around 5 microsecond, or maybe 3 to 50 microsecond, or 5 to 50 microsecond. This is the range. 50 to 500, 3 to 50 microsecond. It is asked once in public sector examinations. Okay. So this is about the SCR turn on, turn off process. We'll see that now gate recovery characteristics. Just copy this one. We move on to the gate. Gate को भी characteristics ही है. अभी एनोड कैथोड के characteristics talk कर दिया. Gate को भी होगा characteristics. How the gate characteristics are there? Means here the simple PN junction और This is gate. इसका characteristics देखना. Please copy that. Shall I erase? Shall I move on? समझ में आ गया ना? तो on and off process is not directly straightforward here. Before SCR coming to off completely, we need to do something. Before SCR coming to completely on, we need to do something. थोड़ा time के लिए wait करना है. Not only in SCR, in every process, every device. What is Vishal? So what is now? मतलब copy नहीं किया बोल रहे? Okay, yeah. So on to SCR को चालू करने के बाद उसको बंद करने के लिए एक प्रोसेस फॉलो करना है, रिवर्स रिकवरी. रिवर्स रिकवरी, तो रिवर्स रिकवरी मतलब इट्स कंप्लीटली obtaining the forward blocking mode. Okay, so you can write then what is the thyristor turn after definition. You can write so that you understand. मतलब T1 to T4 thyristor turn after definition लिखो. It is a time between the instant anode current becomes zero. Instant anode current becomes zero and the instant SCR regains, and the instant SCR regains forward blocking capability. The SCR regains forward blocking capability. I'm giving the thyristor turn off time definition. TQ का TC का दिया, TC का definition already दिया मैंने. TQ का definition क्या है? T1 to T4 is TQ, लेकिन उसका definition क्या है? It is a time between the instant anode current becomes zero and the instant SCR gains forward blocking capability. You please mention that. And the TC I have defined. TC is instant anode current becomes zero to the point reverse voltage is applied by the practical circuit T5. Okay, ये वाला important है TC का value, क्योंकि हम कम्यूटेशन सर्क्यूट में चॉपर्स में TC का वैल्यू निकालना चाहिए. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. डेफिनेशन ऐसा नहीं किया, मतलब ये यूज करना बाद में चॉपर्स में DC to DC कन्वर्टर्स में देख के कितना आ रहा है, ओमेगा TC कितना आ रहा है, पाई आ रही, पाई बाई 2 आ रही, 2 पाई आ रही, तो कितना आ रहा है तो देखना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए ये वाला डेफिनेशन बहुत हमको इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाएगा उस समय. ठीक है, लेट अस मूव ऑन. गेट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ SCR. Gate characteristics of SCR. मतलब look at here now. This is the SCR. एनोड क्या तो गेट मतलब इधर है ना. Gate is here. This is the gate. So what I do here now, ये वाला गेट है. So I'll give some supply, some resistance. I call this one as RS. गेट सिग्नल देने के लिए भी वोल्टेज देना चाहिए. This is ES. एनोड करंट इधर है. This is एनोड करंट. इसको अपना अलग सप्लाई दे रहे. This is what a different supply is you are giving. VA के पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव वाला हमने देखे अभी गेट के लिए सिग्नल के लिए the voltage which is applied here is called as a VG plus and minus. So this is IG. KVL apply करो इसको. If you apply the KVL, what will happen? Just KVL. ES which is equal to VG plus. There are gate questions on this. IGRS. Let me draw the VG-IG characteristics here now. VG and IG. So it's a simple PN junction. Look at this mark. What is junction? Gate कहाँ होगा? कौन सा junction? This is PN. So this is what I was saying. This is plus minus. ये वाला gate current IG है. ठीक है? तो PN is gate plus and minus a simple PN junction. मतलब normal diode है. Diode characteristics कैसे होगा? Normal diode is voltage and the current, and characteristics are something like this. Now what I am doing here now, मतलब minimum some voltage आएगा, cut-in voltage, उसके बाद current जाएगा. So now I am drawing the characteristics here. Now let us see VG and IG का characteristics. What is the importance of drawing this one? We'll see. Same thing, but for my understanding, for our convenience, I am taking voltage here, current here. When voltage here, current here means how the characteristics will be. Characteristics voltage थोड़ा सा जाना चाहिए और आना चाहिए ना, current should increase, right? So how this will be here? No? Let us see. One characteristic voltage इधर जाएगा, at one point cut-in voltage आएगा, उसके बाद and then current get increases. Okay. Now this is, for example, say this is one curve, and the second curve I am drawing here now another characteristics. Now the same thing, different two characteristics with different doping material. Same ऐसा है. So another मान लो एक और लिया मैंने with a different doping, and I have characteristics, another characteristics. This is say curve 1 and this is curve 2. See, I have drawn these two curves from this one only. Why two curves I have drawn here? No, say मान लो curve 1 with lesser cut-in voltage. देखा, lesser cut-in voltage में SCR चालू हो गया. This is VG, IG. Lesser voltage में SCR चालू हो गया, मतलब ये वाला junction highly doped. So this means C1 is gate with maximum doping. C2 इधर देखो, गेट वोल्टेज ज्यादा देना पड़ेगा. गेट वोल्टेज ज्यादा दिया तभी आपका करंट एनोड मतलब गेट करंट आया ज्यादा. सो मतलब C2 is kind of gate with minimum doping. Gate with minimum doping. Okay, so what is going to happen here now? The power kind of, I cannot have a maximum minimum. For example, it can capable of having a VG maximum voltage, I low. Maximum gate can have a voltage of VG maximum, gate can have a IG maximum current. But the power cannot be maximum. PG max is not product of these two. Capability will be when VG is maximum. Look at here now. The current has to be less, so the product is kind of within the limits. दोनों मैक्सिमम रखा तो दिक्कत आ जाएगा. तो उसके लिए there is something operating region. मैंने operating region का region में गेट और कैथोड ऑपरेट करना चाहिए. So for that I'm just making this. No, actually why I'm drawing here, you know that what is a graph of this y equal to x into y. Sorry, some x equal to a into b. What is the graph here now? A into b. Both a and b are variable. How this will be? How the graph will be there? X equal to a into b product. When a and b are kind of varying, it looks like a hyperbolic kind of thing. I don't know mathematically if you have done it or not. So the curve will be product. Product curve will be hyperbolic in nature. समझ गए ना बात? This is a product of, in my case, it's a product of this Vg and Ig, because I want power, right? Power equal to Vg into Ig. Both are variable. So the curve will be mathematical, say hyperbolic in nature. I'm just using that one and joining this portion. So this curve is, I would say, PG average, and your operating point will be for this one. There is Ig minimum, I would say here, and Vg minimum here, Ig minimum. Please mute yourself. So you cannot operate below this point. You should operate only these portions here now. Some point H, some point K, some point A, say B, C, D, E. Fine then. So let me explain this thing what I have drawn here. मैंने gate characteristics बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. Gate characteristics कैसे होगा? मतलब PN junction है इधर, simple diode characteristics है. So diode का characteristics ऐसा आएगा, cut in voltage आ जाएगा. लेकिन मैंने voltage ऊपर लिया, current नीचे लिया, तो curve अब ऐसा आ जाएगा. लेकिन दो कर्व क्यों आया? दो कर्व क्यों? मतलब एक वाला होगा मैक्सिमम डोपिंग गेट होगा, दूसरा क्या है? मिनिमम डोपिंग. मिनिमम डोपिंग हुआ तो C1. मिनिमम डोपिंग मतलब लेस वोल्टेज में चालू हो जाएगा. ठीक है. मैक्सिमम डोपिंग मतलब, मिनिमम डोपिंग मतलब डोपिंग कम है, सो वोल्टेज ज्यादा देना चाहिए ताकि आपका गेट ऑन हो जाएगा. दोनों कर्व ड्रॉ कर दिया. एक पावर कर्व ड्रॉ कर दिया मैंने. पावर कर्व मतलब रीजन आईजी कितना देना चाहिए. ठीक है. सो ऐसा मैं दिया कि वीजी मैक्स आईजी मैक्स में हो सकता है शीट में, उसका रेटिंग में, लेकिन ये दोनों एक साथ में नहीं होगा. वन वीजी मैक्सिमम हुआ तो मान लो ये वाला वीजी मैक्सिमम है. ठीक है. करंट आईजी मैक्सिमम नहीं है, देखा इधर, करंट इज नॉट आईजी मैक्सिमम. दिस इज नॉट आईजी मैक्सिमम. This is the current IG maximum here now. You can see here now. This point is VG maximum, and this one is IG maximum. Cannot be, both cannot be maximum. मतलब VG maximum, IG maximum. अगर मान लो VG and IG maximum point क्या है? VG maximum means you can have this point, and IG maximum means you can have this point. समझ गए? दोनों point इधर है maximum. लेकिन when both are kind of maximum, your power is here. Cannot withstand that much power. So कम होना चाहिए. So your operating point will be for this, say A, B, C, D, E, K, H, A. This is where the operating point. Okay. So please mention that point here now. आप लिख देना. Just copy करो ये वाला. Operating point of ACR is A, B, C, D, E, K, H. There is a gate question here now. We'll do that gate question also there. So you can mention what is VG minimum. Yeah, VG minimum, IG minimum. What are these? You can mention VG minimum, IG minimum. What do you mean by this? These are the minimum limits for gate voltage and gate current. Mention this point. VG minimum, VGMN, IGMN, or minimum limits, minimum voltage and current limits. To turn on the SCR. Okay. Just copy that one. Copy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, cool. So another point I would like to mention, mathematically ये वाला equations. Let me erase this one. Although I mean you feel like little bit dry, but there is a gate question here now. इसलिए तो time spend कर रहा हूँ. Otherwise I would have moved forward. So characteristics draw करने के बाद एक और line draw कर. ये वाला equation से. Mathematically ये वाला equation है. If Vg equal to 0, when Vg is 0, I'll tell you. Vg 0 कब होगा? जब ये वाला short circuit होगा. Then ES is equal to IG and RS. ठीक है? Then IG current, gate current is ES by RS. You agree with me? Second, if IG equal to 0, कब होगा? IG 0, y axis में IG 0 होगा. Then what will happen? Your VG equal to ES. So let me represent these 2 points here now on this curve. 2 points आ गया. एक VG 0 होगा. When this VG 0 on this curve on IG, when IG will be 0 on this one. So I'll draw a line here in this case. So let me draw that here. So I'm just drawing here. There is a, okay. This line, say by X and Y. So this XY line is called as a load line. इसका X का वैल्यू कितना है यार? मैंने अभी बताया X का वैल्यू कितना होगा? What is this X value? This is a line. ये पॉइंट है ना? IG वैल्यू 0 है इधर इक्वेशन में. IG 0 हुआ तो VG कितना है? ये वाला VG है. This point is ES. ये वाला पॉइंट क्या है? What is this point here now? VG 0 है इधर. ये वाला VG 0 है. So ये वाला पॉइंट कितना होगा? IG का वैल्यू. This is ES by RS. So current, if you take the tan theta of this length is completely O by length is, what is O by? O by length is ES by RS. Okay. OX, okay, this is O only. OX का length कितना है? This is equal to ES. If you take the slope of this tan theta, slope of load line, what is the slope of load line gives? Tan theta, which is equal to OX by OY. OX by OY कितना है? This is RS. So RS is the slope of this one. RS is the internal resistance is kept. Resistance is kept. This is the value we can obtain here now. And another way, yeah, there is another way of reducing the current, gate current, by keeping the kind of shunt resistances for controlling the SCR. We'll keep another resistance also, that we'll see in the problems here. Okay, so some resistance, gate and cathode, the beach connection. This is about the gate characteristics of the SCR. We'll solve one problem to understand better here now. What is that we have done here now? So shall we move on? एक problem करेंगे, so you'll understand better. Shall I erase? AXY is a load line. So let us see here now. Problem. Gate trigger voltage, gate trigger current, respectively. What do you mean by this? VG and IG here. Resistance. Gate cathode terminals. Trigger voltage means ES. For a trigger voltage 8 volts, compute resistance. That should be connected in series with gate circuit, मतलब RS, to ensure turn on the problem दिखता है बड़ा, लेकिन solution बहुत simple है. Let me show it here now. What is that given? So only gate के बारे में ना, gate and cathode. Anode did not discuss. Anode VA के बारे में already discuss कर दिया हमने. This is ES and ये वाला RSI. This is what so far we learned. Thyristor is 1.5 100 millivolts. So इधर का voltage है ना, this is VG. Current which is going here is IG. IG is 100 milliamps. VG is 1.5 volts. The resistance 20 ohms connected across gate and cathode. Gate and cathode में 20 volts, 20 ohms connect कर दिया. So means one more resistance is there of 20 RSI. For a trigger voltage of 8. Trigger voltage 8 means ES is 8 volts. This is 8 volts. So what should I do? RS चाहिए. So look at here now, all values are given. There is no problem. Node voltage दिया है इधर. So ये वाला node voltage मान लो VG है. This is VG nodal analysis. The simple nodal analysis you can see here. This voltage is VG, node voltage, 20 ohm hai. And this RS, this is 8. So KCL डालो, nodal analysis है. VG minus 8 upon RS. VG, sorry, leaving you can say, plus leaving current, AB leaving है. VG by 20, which is equal to IG. Do you agree with me? इसमें VG पता है, 1.5 minus 85 RS is unknown. So 1.5 by 20 ये दोनों लीविंग करंट है. सॉरी ये भी लीविंग है ना, IG का करंट भी लीविंग है, प्लस IG इक्वल टू 0. मैंने सेट बायस VG by 20 plus IG leaving, this is also leaving. IG का current is 100 milliamps. So from here, get me the value of RS. That's all. What is the value? Yeah, just let me know once you are done, and we have one more gate question. ये वाला gate question है. Yeah, yes, Vishal, it's right. That's correct. 37.14. So others please copy. एक और gate question है. Where a concept is there, उसका gate question. ये वाला gate, ये concept क्या है? Gate characteristics के ऊपर. दूसरा gate question है ACR के ऊपर. Problem है कि gate signal should be given to the ACR. Another point, gate second problem में ये वाला topic में आएगा. Note, I have already mentioned, gate signal is on until SCR obtains. Until SCR obtains anode current minimum at least to latching current greater than or equal to latching current. ये होना चाहिए. Gate signal is on until SCR obtains the anode current equal to latching current or greater than the latching current. Once the SCR is on, gate signal को हटाओ. Gate signal रख दिया तो क्या है? Loss है. अभी देख लिया ना हमने, PG losses, वो वाला losses है, gate losses होगा. So एक बार SCR चालू हो गया, gate signal हटाना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए we have problems there. How much time gate signal should be on? उसी तरह का problem. एक problem देख लेना इधर. Very important. This problem is going to be very important to you, and it's being asked in gate. Concept वही है इधर. So there are many variations here, no? So 1 second, I'll change the data here now. Okay, let me see. Two cases here now. Very important one. Current is 100 milliamps DC source, मतलब एनोड कैथोड के बीच में DC source है. So this is what you can see solution. First you need to understand here now. SCR है ना, ये वाला गेट का नहीं है. This is not about the gate. This is here now. A source is given, voltage source, and you have to connect a load. Load भी है इधर. Some load is connected. ये वाला गेट है, एनोड कैथोड. Now this voltage is given 200 volts. ये वाला load है ना, this is a load. When this is on, now I am giving a signal here now. Gate signal देना है, इसको signal देना चाहिए. Okay. If you want, you can show this one. Load is here, no problem. Where it's up to you. I have to give a gate signal like this. What is this time? तो कहाँ तक देना है? So कहाँ तक देना है? मैंने बता दिया gate को signal कहाँ तक देना. ये वाला एनोड करंट है ना, this anode current should reach latching current. So ये on हो गया. Load है, मतलब this is what I have 200 volts. This is what finally can give. This is what load. Load क्या है? This is 200 volts. Load is different load. One is L and one is this. L equal to 0.2 Henry. So voltage across this one inductor is dt. Current कितना तक, कहाँ तक आना चाहिए? 100 milliamps. 100 milliamps आना चाहिए. Time पता नहीं है ना. Voltage कितना है इसका बीच में? This is 200. So just calculate this one. 0.2 upon this, your T value. So this is 0.1. 200 is equal to 0.2, this is 0.1 by t. What is this value t? T is 0.1, 0.2 by 200. How much is this? That's what the first problem. So उधर तक आप गेट सिग्नल देना चाहिए. मतलब मेरा मतलब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ इधर, कब तक आपका एनोड करंट 100 मिली एम्प्स आ जाएगा तब तक आप गेट सिग्नल रखना चाहिए. सो मेरा एम क्या है इधर, एनोड करंट 100 एम्प्स रीच करने के लिए कितना टाइम होगा. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम जस्ट कैलकुलेटिंग. यू आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पॉइंट. सो उधर तक आप करंट टाइम कैलकुलेट करना, वो वाला टाइम तक आप गेट सिग्नल रखना चाहिए. That's what the point. So gate signal is on until SCR obtains the anode current is greater than or equal to latching current. Normally equal to latching current. Once the SCR is on, gate loses the control. You can take out the gate. Second problem वही है, लोड है ना. अभी मान लो अभी RL लोड है, RL लोड है तो करंट का RL लोड में I have a formula directly. If DC voltage is given to RL ES here now, what is RV R and L, current क्या formula क्या है, R and L exponentially increases. We have seen in the networks that this problem. So current सीधा current value will be RL load में directly I can write V by R 1 minus e power t by tau L by R. That's all. You please substitute it and get me the value of t. इसमें substitute करना क्या, एनोड ये वाला करंट कहाँ तक आना चाहिए, 100 मिली एम्प्स तक आना चाहिए. 100 मिली एम्प्स. Okay, this side I'll write. I hope you understand this point. So इसलिए erase कर रहा हूँ मैंने. Very important problem, very important. So current is okay. So this 100 milliamps, so 0.1 here. Supply voltage is 200, resistance is 20. 1 minus e power time निकालना पड़ेगा. L by R. L is 0.2 and so 20 by, you can say 20 by 0.2. So कितना होगा. This is very important for exam. That is exactly gate question is there. We'll solve that. That's the two parallel combination. We'll do that anyway. पहला वाला कितना आ रहा है, ये वाला 0.2 by 0.1 by 200. पहला वाला कितना है, this is around 100 microsecond. So second वाला कितना है, second वाला is also approximately 100 point something 1 microsecond. I'll tell the reason also here now. When the resistance is kept in the inductor, normally this time taken to increase the current will depend upon the inductance value. Either 0.2 Henry, either 0.2 Henry. Beach में resistance रखो, whatever you keep it, it won't matter. It's not much difference. But when you change the inductor value, for example, you change the inductor value, say same 20 ohm 0.2, you keep the third one 20 ohm and 2 Henry. If you solve the same problem for 20 ohm plus 2 Henry, अगर आपने इसको solve कर दिया तो definitely inductance has increased 10 times. Your time also should increase approximately 10 times. You can verify that also. Second one, समझ गए ना मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. Third one, third आपने same use करो. This is 0.1 latching current is 0.1. Directly I'm writing here now. So 200 by, this is 20, V by R, 1 minus e power t L by R. What is that I'm doing? 20 by 2. L is 2 Henry, R is 20. So now if we solve this one, this time will be more increases, something an approximate I'm writing around 1000 microseconds. Meaning, what is the conclusion here now? Latching current, or rather I would say, latching current, which is going into the SCR, okay, takes time, more time when the inductance is added. That's a property of inductor. Inductor का property क्या है? Inductor opposes the change in current. Inductor अगर सर्क्यूट में रख दिया तो करंट इंक्रीज करने के लिए ज्यादा टाइम होगा. That's what we are doing. So 0.2 रख दिया तो 100 amps मिली एम्प्स आने के लिए हमको 100 मिली सेकेंड चाहिए. दिस इज लैचिंग करंट. तब तक गेट सिग्नल देना चाहिए. अगर आपने लोड में 20 ओम्स एंड 0.2 हेनरी लग दिया तो रेसिस्टर में ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. तो फिर भी ये 100 मिली एम्प्स रीच करने के लिए हम 100 माइक्रोसेकंड वेट करना पड़ेगा. तब तक गेट सिग्नल रखना चाहिए. थर्ड केस में 20 ओम 2 हेनरी रखा, इंडक्टेंस इंक्रीज कर दिया, इंडक्टर बढ़ गया इधर, तो टाइम भी बढ़ेगा क्योंकि इंडक्टर अपोज करेगा. इंडक्टर अपोज कर रहे हैं 100 मिली एम्प्स आने के लिए. सो ताकि आपका ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा 100 मिली एम्प्स पहुंचने के लिए. सो अभी इधर क्या हो गया? सो 1000 माइक्रोसेकंड टाइम चाहिए ये वाला 100 मिली एम्प्स पहुंचने के लिए. इसलिए हमने गेट सिग्नल 1000 माइक्रोसेकंड तक आप गेट सिग्नल चालू करना पड़ेगा, रखना चाहिए. वैसे वंस द SCR इज ऑन, आप गेट सिग्नल को हटाओ क्योंकि गेट सिग्नल लूजेस द कंट्रोल वंस द SCR इज ऑन. समझ गया बात? Is that problem clear, everyone, guys? Is this a real important problem? Is that clear, guys? म्यूट में रख देना बाकी लोग, म्यूट में रख देना. Is there some songs are coming? Okay, nice guys. If you're clear about this, then I'll wind up the session. Today's session is really important for you. Please try to go through the book, turn on, process, turn off, and especially circuit turn off time, thyristor turn off time. And the last problem what we have done, and the gate characteristics problem. Today's class is really important. Definitely get a question, one question in gate among all this. Okay. Okay then, if you are clear about this, I'll stop the lecture. And thank you very much. And tomorrow we can continue. Evening, yeah, evening we have machines, right? Yeah, we'll continue at 6. Okay, then any doubts? Any more doubts? Do you have any doubts? Otherwise, we can wind up the session. Okay, Chabikon Sahu, then thank you. Thank you guys then. We'll stop here. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Mandusha. Thank you, Sahu. Vishal, thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Sujata. See you in the evening then. Thank you, Bhaskar. Thanks.